Are you a junior developer? Is it your official job title? Do you feel you are stuck with boring and repetitive tasks when your fellow devs work on some interesting and important problems? Or do you just think it's not the right time to drop the junior label? It doesn't really matter why you are a junior developer. What really matters is that you should stop being a junior developer immediately. I am Boris, I'm a software engineer from Tel Aviv with more than 7 years of experience in the industry. I've talked to so many people that consider themselves to be a beginner, a junior dev, even after working for a year or two. So I think it's a very important thing that we should talk about. I'll show you what exactly should be done to advance your career as a software engineer, and of course, everything is based on my own experience. So how much time do you need to stop being a junior developer? Any number on that you may have heard is wrong. One of my friends got hired as a junior developer right after he graduated at university. He has been working for more than 2 years at that company, and actually he still works there. I've seen his code with my own eyes, and I've seen the problems that he had worked on. So I'm really surprised to see that his job title is still, you guess it, junior software developer. The concept of being a junior developer is not really determined by amount of years that you've been in the industry. Experience matters, but there is no some certain time when you will become a senior. It's about what you've seen, how you can apply your past knowledge to the current situation, and your ability to solve the problems effectively. Nowadays, thanks ChatGPT, Stack Overflow, wherever, thanks internet, it's not a problem to get the knowledge. The main skill you need to train is how you can navigate through available knowledge, how you can identify the problem and find the most suitable solution. The technology industry moves fast with new tools and technologies emerging every day. Staying on top of this advancement is important, and it allows you to become an expert in specific areas really quickly. However, being an expert in a particular technology doesn't automatically make you a senior developer. Seniority comes from experience, problem-solving skills, and the ability to foresee and prevent issues in the code. And this leads to the next step. A developer becomes an independent problem-solving expert. Well, I don't mean that you can work alone in a dark room. I mean that you can take the full responsibility of a software development cycle. You get the task, you understand the problem, you define the dependencies between modules, devs, teams, you figure out how the existing code works and what changes should be done. You understand the pros and cons of your decisions. You are able to manage your work yourself. But how can you get there? First of all, hit the like button under this video if you find it useful. Sorry, I had to ask you to do that. Getting back to our topic, don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your growth and development. If you're currently labeled as a junior but want to change that perception, don't wait for promotions or pay raises to start making an impact. Begin acting like a senior developer right now. Take on more challenging tasks, volunteer for complex projects, and participate in meetings where you can learn from more experienced colleagues. Despite the time considered to be a senior developer by my colleagues and my managers, I should say I hate these labels. I absolutely hate these labels. So despite I gained some experience in my life, I still always try to join some more talented, more experienced developers to try to learn new stuff, to try to learn how the things could be done. If I see someone working on some interesting problem, I always ask how you do this and that. May I join your meeting and maybe to listen what you are going to do there, and so on. You can do that too. Take notes to yourself of everything that you are not familiar with and ask them later about it. In future meetings, you'll be able to contribute more and more with the knowledge that you have already started to accumulate. Communication is the key. Also, talk to your manager about your career goals and your intentions as a developer. They should understand what you aspire to achieve and support your growth. They're interested in you to become a better engineer. If you're not getting opportunities in your current company, consider to find new opportunities elsewhere. Changing companies can be a fresh start where people won't see you as a junior anymore. I'm lucky I work in a company that doesn't use these labels. Junior developer, senior developer. Everyone is just a software engineer, so nobody judges you by your title. We work together in a healthy environment where everyone learns something from each other or helps each other. So if you want my honest opinion, never apply to a job that is called junior software developer. Try to find something that is within your years of experience or slightly more, and of course where your current knowledge could be useful. I mean, it's hard to get rid of the label when you label yourself intentionally. Another thing that you can do is to dig deeper to the topic or technology that you like and write the blog post about it. Speak at meetups and conferences, even if you think that you are not experienced enough. Sharing your knowledge and experience can elevate your status in the industry and showcase your skills. The idea is you operate on the level that you want to be as well as you already can. Don't get me wrong, I don't suggest to impersonate the experienced developer. I just want you to remember, you are capable of more than you think. Set your sights higher and with determination. It's okay to take time to grow and learn, but be proactive in your journey. There's a lot of work, of course, but you can break free from a junior label and become a successful senior software developer.